Let's turn the FEIN into a drill track.
Oh my God!
Let's add our kick and our snare. And add a triplet hi-hat pattern. We have gunshots and stomps for impact. And some perks and rims. Our chord progression has to be dark, so we're using suspended chords and minor chords only. Then let's layer these chords with a pad to add ambience. This is kind of weird and it's going to get a lot weirder. We've taken a random vocal, chopped it and pitched it to the key of the track. And then we've added a string to sit in the background. I did tell you it would get weirder. Now a bass line. Just following the root notes of the chords. Let's add some slides. That might have been a little overkill. And now we can hear how FEIN sounds as a drill track. By the way, all of the sounds I used in this beat were from my plugin Brain X4, which is currently 70% off and links in the description and my bio. Make sure to check it out.
The career's more at stake when you in your prime. Fuck that paper, baby, my face on the dotted line. I've been flying out of town for some peace of mind. It's like always, they just want a peace of mind. I've been focused on the